This cake is incredibly quick, less than 10 minutes to prepare. Just mix everything together and let the oven do the rest. Start by combining the eggs and sugar until smooth. Add the yogurt and vanilla paste or extract, then mix again. Next, pour the neutral vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Mix until fully combined. Now add the sifted flour and baking powder. Stir gently until you get a smooth, silky batter. Today I'm using sour cherries, but you can use any fruit or berries you like. If they're frozen, there is no need to throw them. Just toss the berries with a little cornstarch and sugar. I'm using a silicone loaf pan. Pour in the butter, then add the cherries on top. You can also mix the berries directly into the butter first. Do whatever feels easier for you. Bake at 390-95 Fahrenheit for about 20-30 minutes. The exact time depends on your oven. This cake turns out soft, juicy, and full of flour. And most importantly, quick and effortless. Perfect for a holiday table or simply with a cup of tea.